biggest stars in the world.
And our best artists, I want to thank y'all. I love y'all.
A lot has changed in my life. Could always say I was so.
Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another vlog. It is Monday, September 8th, and we're going to the Breezy Bowl. It was a gift for Aaliyah's 18th birthday.
Hey.
T, how you came outside the club when you can't get in? Anyways, back to what I was saying. We're going to Breezy Bowl. We got our little jerseys ready. We're going to be cute. So right now we're about to make us some junk socks.
Clarity.
Hey, don't put that in.
These are my socks. Aaliyah got her scrunch socks.
Not gonna work.
And these are the charms we're going to put on our socks. You know what you can do?
I need you to watch.
Put one of them in there. Put one on your side. Babe, go on. We love you.
Buy yourself a ticket.
Yeah. But I been told you I was going. You didn't want to go.
But he wouldn't even know the lyrics.
He don't know none of the songs.
Yeah, I do. Yo, money.
That's not him. That is not him. He just want to be annoying, man.
Gosh.
See, if I were you, I'd get this one.
That's a big one.
Go up with it.
It's not twisting. Come on, you do something. Help.
You ain't gotta untwist it. You just take it out like
Okay. Oh, they got two curves.
Oh my God. See, without me, I don't know what they'll do without me. You know what I'm saying? Cause
I'm going to do this, one of these pearls.
Yeah, you got it.
I probably need to put my sock on. Let's see.
Yeah, I need to see.
In white. So.
Out.
Yeah, stick. Damn, that's gonna hurt.
Yeah, that's gonna be sticking though.
That's gonna be sticking me.
Yeah.
How they made it like that? Here is my jersey. World Tour. Breezy, breezy, breezy. I basically had to design the shirt myself. It's a place in Houston on Harwin. And you have to get like the stencils, pick them out, place them where you want to. So I did this, and then I did some stars on the arms. And then this is like his 20th anniversary, so I put Breezy Bowl 20. And I didn't do a thing on the back. I did it for Aaliyah jersey. I mean, I'm a fan, but child, I'm about to pay all that extra. So I just did Breezy Bowl up here. And then I'm going to wear these white shorts. Babe is lacing up my Jordans. And I bought me and Aaliyah these Breezy Bowl clear bags, because we don't want no trouble at the gates. So y'all, I got these for tonight. I saw them on TikTok. Well, I saw people had like tampon covers that look like tampons in the plastic, and I had whole liquor in them. I said, "Ooh, hold on, because they be hot in there. I'm not just paying no $30 for a drink." And then it come with a little funnel. You put that in them. And then it got a little top, so I'm gonna try to put it like under my bra. Try to sneak that bad boy up in there. I hope I don't get caught. I've never done this before, but we're gonna see. Anyway, it's about 3. I'm about to go ahead and take my shower and start getting ready, because The concert is at 7. The doors open at 5. Bryson Tiller and Summer Walker gonna be there. So Summer Walker's my girl. So I really want to see her tonight. And I just want to get there. So let me go ahead and get dressed. I gotta do my makeup all day. I'll be back. Okay, this is the outfit, y'all. Breezy Bowl. And then I'm wearing these J's. And this is Aaliyah. She got Breezy Bowl 20 on the back. And she got her little, I got one, get over here. I got one of these bandanas too, but I don't know if I'm wearing them. And then Breezy Bowl in the front. She got her little bows, very cute. Okay, periods. Breezy Bowl, Breezy Bowl. Hey, 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 hey. All right, y'all, we ready to go. Babe making me a good old drink. I got my Casamigos. Got my fan. I ain't gonna be able to take y'all on the camera. I'm gonna have to use my phone. So hopefully I'm able to record real good. But yeah, we're ready for Breezy Bowl. Did I record it? I think I did. So we'll see y'all. Oh yeah? Hello.
What's going on with it?
And I touch on you. She wanna wear her heels and stuff.
Got them shirts.
Almost fell too.
Yeah, and look at Skinny Minnie behind her. Child, they doing the most for this Breezy Bowl, child. Not wearing no heels, hurting my damn feet. But we almost there, baby. It's traffic. They got them little, whatever they call it. Baby, he gone. He getting them to the Breezy Bowl.
I think we're back that way. Yeah, this going down. Go on, get what you gonna get.
It's gone, it's gone.
Yeah, I'm getting nachos. My store's like nasty nachos. You don't need help. You better help your bestie up. You don't need help. You better help your bestie up. You don't need nothing. You better.
That's my type. Summer, that's a mine.
I like him.
Okay, girl. You like it? I love it.
This planet radiates strong seduction signals and weak communication.
Biggest stars you will always
And our best artists, I want to thank y'all. I love y'all. A lot has changed in my life. Can only say I'm so thankful and happy to have the loyal fans that Team Breezy are right now. The war goes to... Let me talk to you. Came here for one thing
I know I'm trying to think, but excuse me, I see the
Lil, how was Breezy Bowl? Breezy Bowl was very much fun. I'm glad we didn't have any problems getting in with our tickets or anything. Everything was smooth, scan right on in. And why was the one girl, it was like the steps you go down, just standing there smoking a whole blunt, just casually, like it's nothing. Nobody said anything. And then I didn't see them check any kind of bags. Or maybe they just didn't check ours because we had a clear bag. I don't know. That was just crazy. Overall, I had a good time. I didn't like that Chris was singing some of the songs and cutting half of the songs off. I'm like, baby, I want to hear the full song, not half of it. What did you think about that?
You have places to be, I guess.
Yeah, after parties to get to. I'm getting ready to go to the after party, so. You coming? Anyways, y'all, we had a good time. Thank y'all so much for watching. And remember,
You're beautiful.
bye, y'all.